Hey, we're here today to test Harris Flotebote's Royal 230. Now, usually when I test and review a boat, the last thing in the world I want to do is quote the manufacturer's catalog, but in this case, Harris has one line that just can't go unmentioned. They say that on this boat, relaxation is front and center. Well, I just gotta say, bullseye! Of course, relaxing is a lot more fun after a thrill or two. And with 225 Verado horses bolted onto the motor pod, the Royal is ready to provide some thrills. An important element to remember is that the Royal has the P3 performance package. Now what that means is the center tube is only dropped down about an inch below the outer tubes. Now as a result of that, the boat doesn't quite have that deep V handling that some other tri-toons do, but it really boosts the speed. In fact, with 225 horses, we broke 46 miles an hour. Another important design feature that Harris adds to this boat is the below-deck skirting. Now, this reduces the friction between the water and the cross members. On most boats, those cross members are just exposed, and it creates a lot of friction and slows the boat down. While cruising at 4,500 RPM, we did just over 26 miles an hour and got 2.8 miles to the gallon. Whew, that was fun. Now, let's get back into relaxation mode. Say it's a hot sunny day out and I want this bimini top up. I don't want to have to fool with anything. Well, all I got to do on this boat is press a button. Of course, you gotta have cold drinks for a day on the boat. That's why they put in a fridge. Let's stick with the relaxation theme for a moment longer. You can pull out your footrest, kick your feet up, and at the same time, get even more stowage. Now, I like having these hard surfaces, but if this were my boat, one way I see to improve it would be to add this type of snap to this end, because as it is, it moves around quite a bit. Now, one of the things that cuts into your relaxation level on a lot of pontoon boats is the changing room. They're often really tight and cramped. Not a problem on the Royal. Check this out. They outfit it with this nice, big, roomy changing room. Now, if you like listening to music while you're on the water, you're gonna love the standard stereo that comes with this boat. Not only does it have a radio, just open it up, and there's even a place to plug in your iPod. The Royal 230 also comes with a standard 5-step ladder, so that makes it much easier to get in and out, and there's an optional tow bar. So Mark, I noticed this fabric has a really unusual feel to it.
Right, it's a textured vinyl with UV protection that helps protect it from sun damage.
Mark, I like how you integrated both the chill box and the refrigerator right into the console.
Right, with fiberglass, it allows us not only to provide the structural integrity, but a lot of design concepts and customization.
Another construction highlight that Mark and I have been discussing is this gate stop. Mark, can you tell us why this is different?
Right, Harris Flotebote uses a full-length patented gate stop, provides over 400 pounds of resistance, whereas others just use a small latch.
You know, there's only one problem with having a boat that's this comfortable and relaxing. At the end of the day, when it's time to go home and sit down on the couch, who would want to?